Welcome to this guide on how to adjust the month settings, which determines the lubrication duration on your BEKA ONE. There are two ways to change these settings, using the magnetic cap or using the setting button underneath the protective cover. We will cover both methods. Let's start with changing the settings using the magnetic cap. First, take the magnetic cap from the top cover and bring it to the activation area on the BEKA ONE. Hold the cap with the top pointed towards the activation area until the red LED indicator has lit up 5 times. After the 5th flash, remove the cap from the activation area for 1 to 2 seconds. Then, hold it against the activation area again and release it when the green LED flashes at the desired month setting. Now, let's look at how to change the settings using the setting button. First, unscrew and remove the protective cover from the BEKA ONE to access the setting button. Press and hold the setting button until the red LED has lit up 5 times. After the 5th flash, release the setting button for 1 to 2 seconds. Then, push the button again and release it when the green LED flashes at the desired month setting. You have now successfully changed the month settings on your BEKA ONE. This determines how long the lubricator will dispense grease before the reservoir is empty. Thank you for choosing Groeneveld-BEKA. For more information and support, please refer to your product manual or visit our website.